What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new first timers video. I'm Alvin, your host for today's baby edition video. Now, before we get into this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that at the end of the video, I am going to share a tip on how others have extended the life of their Diaper Genie bags, which I think is brilliant. So stay tuned until the end. If you find the information useful, please press that like button. And if you want more great information in the future, press that subscribe button. New baby edition videos launched every Wednesday. Now, a few days ago, we had to buy our first refill of Diaper Genie bags. Now, when I saw the price of Diaper Genie bags, I was like, wow, that's kind of expensive. And each unit only does 270 diapers, which times 3 comes out to 810 diapers. So when I was searching for the refills on Amazon, I found a 4-pack that promises the same amount of 270 per unit. That's 1,080 for the pack, and had the same 7-layer protection that the Diaper Genie refills promise, with an added bonus of an actual indicator of when the bags are getting ready to run out. So I decided that this would be a good time to try out another brand called ChoiceRefill. And on their package, it says that it is a diaper pail refill 7-layer bag, fits all Diaper Genies and disposable systems. It says it right there. So starting with the unpackaging of this ChoiceRefill, it's very simple. It's just wrapped in plastic. It feels very easy to tear and probably can be done without a knife. But of course, I'm going to use a knife just because it will be fast and easy with the knife, and I obviously have it here, so why not do it? So let's jump into it, guys. So as we start the unpackaging of the ChoiceRefill here, I just wanted to let you guys know that it's pretty much well labeled, so make sure that you read the warning. Obviously, it's saying to make sure you keep your kids away from the bags so they don't suffocate, keep them out of the cribs, beds, carriages, and playpens. So I think that is something that, shouldn't have to be said, but it's there. Now we're going to use a knife here and try to cut it here, so just be careful as you're cutting it. Definitely scissors probably would be the best option here, but of course they're inside, and right now the baby is trying to go to sleep, so I'm trying not to wake him here. Now this plastic is actually a little stronger than I anticipated. As I'm sitting there trying to pull it down, it's not as easy, so again I'm trying to use a knife, but I should have probably just used scissors here, but it's alright. I'm getting to it here. And yeah, like I said, I'm pretty excited about this particular product just because it's promising a darker bag, which I think is pretty cool, so you don't have to actually see the poopy diapers as you're pulling them out, if you're going to be pulling them out all as one piece. Definitely stay tuned till the end. Like I was saying, I'll showcase how to kind of save these and extend your bag life. Obviously, it will involve other bags, so you still have to purchase bags. But again, the bags that I purchase are much cheaper than having to buy refills for the Diaper Genie all the time here. So now that that's done, this looks pretty simple and easy to do. Obviously, it has a little pull tab here, and it looks like all I have to physically do is pull on it. So it doesn't really give me any options or anything like that. So obviously it does. So it looks like it can actually be reused. So I can actually put it right back on if I had done with it for whatever reason. It does have a little start here tag, so I can definitely start right at this particular part. I'm assuming just pull on it, and right when I pull on it, the bag just starts to pull out. So that's actually very cool, very simple, very easy. Now it's pretty much just like a normal Diaper Genie bag. It looks like I can literally pull it down and do my normal knot tying at the bottom here and pull it through. The plastic does feel very nice and slick as well. That was a complaint that I saw from other people saying that they bought other style Diaper Genie bags and the diapers wouldn't slide through. So this actually looks very promising. And like I said, this plastic actually feels very good, feels very strong. So I'm very excited about that there. Because obviously I just don't want a diaper to break. Now I don't know if I can use this cap on top, because that would actually be kind of cool, but I think with the pull tab in the way, I think it'll kind of mess up the diapers going in. But like I said, it's there. I don't think I need it for anything, so I'll just leave it off for now. But now let's go over to the Diaper Genie itself. Now this is a Diaper Genie bag. Now you can kind of notice how see-through it is there, and like I said, it is actually pretty nice, very simple. I'm kind of excited to kind of showcase both of them side by side, and overall, as you're looking at the plastic, you know, you would think the Diaper Genie bag is thin. It actually is not. They're about the same thickness, so that's actually pretty cool. Like I said, they both feel very slick and strong. You know, I still wouldn't add like super heavy weight to either of these bags, but it does look like it would be something that actually would be able to work for some pretty heavy loads if you're going to be running a bunch of diapers through here. But other than that, they both feel amazing. Like I said, very slick on both of them. They feel almost like identical thickness. So let's try to drop this one in and let's take a look and see how it looks. So now as I'm sliding it in, overall it's just kind of like a normal Diaper Genie bag cartridge. You still have to open the bottom to pull the diapers through. Once you pull the diapers through, it's very straightforward to fit and work. Like I said, the bags are nice and dark, so it looks like it just slides right in. You can still add your baking soda to the little bag here just to help with smell and odor. But other than that, it's very simple, so I'm excited. And like I said, the fitment of the actual ring looks amazing, so it just kind of slides right in. I'll put the Diaper Genie one back in so you can kind of see how that one fits. And like I said, we'll pull the diaper bag right through. And yeah, I'm actually sold on these bags, guys. I really think that for a less expensive bag, this is definitely something worth getting. Now let's jump into how I would save these bags and make them last longer. Alright, so as promised, we're at the end of the video here, and I actually want to showcase that tip. Now it is going to involve a bag here. So the obvious reason that we're going to be doing this is because you might be running low on actual Diaper Genie bags, or you want to somehow figure out how to extend those bags because the price point is pretty high considering. Now the idea is you're still going to be using an actual bag. Make sure you can buy them pretty much anywhere from like the 99-cent store, even Amazon. You can find some cheap bags on there, and they don't have to be very big. But again, I'm going to be showcasing these bags. I got them from Costco, and they actually smell kind of nice. So nice smelly bags. But my idea is, hey, I could throw them in the trash can, and you'll have the smell of this versus the diapers. Obviously, I'll still tie it up and close it up, but I'll kind of come over to the second camera here, and we'll kind of showcase it here. So the idea while we're here is you're gonna be opening up your diaper, and sorry about the nastiness in here, but the idea is you're gonna want to open up your bag, and you're gonna want to try to get your bag right next to your original bag here as best as possible. And so I've seen people do it with scissors, which I was kind of like, I don't know if I'd really care about doing what I'm going to be trying to do with scissors, because I wouldn't want to put scissors right by there. But the idea is to get to the bottom of your diaper bag here and actually cut it. So right now you can kind of notice that it's kind of tight in there because I actually went a little too long without changing it, but that's fine. But the idea is I have my knot here, and I'm actually going to cut the knot off. So I'm going to go right up, and you're going to make your cut right in the razor blade area here. Cuts right off, pretty easy. Now the idea now is to run this bag right into your actual white bag that you just ran up on the side here. Now the idea obviously is you don't want your bag to touch the diapers as they're coming out, the outside portion of the bag. So we're going to be running it right into the inside of the bag here. And so as we're putting it in, and now you're actually able to get everything out and right into your new trash bag. And now you can kind of save your actual Diaper Genie bag here. So now we're gonna take the very bottom again, make a quick knot here. And there we go. So now pretty much nothing's touched the outside of this bag. Now we can keep it in here. Obviously it is still a little long, but we're actually okay with that. Just because, hey, we only cut off a little piece of the Diaper Genie bag, and now we have our actual trash bag of diapers within this spot here. So overall, it was pretty simple, easy. Close back up, and then you can start dumping more diapers right back into the actual bag here. So actually, very, 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 very simple, easy to do. And you can definitely trash them without any issues. And like I said, just make sure it's just not tied up, because you might have flipped it around. But other than that, once you start throwing stuff back in there, you're good to go. And again, we only wasted about, we'll say, depending on how you tie your knots, it could be anywhere from 2 inches to 5 inches, 6 inches, depending on if you run long knots or short knots. But like I said, I know it is a challenge at first as you're doing some of this fun stuff here. So we've had our Diaper Genie now for about 4 months. And to be honest, the whole Diaper Genie concept is ingenious. Who wants to smell poopy diapers thrown in a trash can inside the house, or have to head outside to throw your poopy diaper in a trash can? Not I. That's where this little guy comes in handy and outshines the normal trash can. Definitely would recommend you guys to check out our unboxing of the Diaper Genie up in the upper right hand corner here. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy our other videos. Definitely check them out at our end screen as well. Anyway, YouTube and everybody out there, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you later. See you guys. Laters.